everyone, yet another review, a new concealer and a review which is being most requested. A lot of you suggested me I should get this concealer, compare it with other existing concealers. So here I am with the in-depth dedicated review on the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. I happen to get one shade for myself, and without any further ado, let's get into the review. I already filmed this review like 10 days back, but I did not like the footage. Reason being, you will come to know in the process of review why, how and why I scrapped it off completely. Though today I'm not wearing this concealer for this look. So yes, I wanted to put that across, but you will see a lot of footages in between. When you place the order for the concealer, you happen to get the concealer in this kind of a packaging, cardboard packaging with all the details behind. This concealer is going to cost you 229 rupees, wherein you get 5.6 grams of product. This product is going to last you for 3 years and you get only 6 shades to choose from. Moving on to the actual concealer, this is how the concealer would come in a matte frosted plastic packaging. You open it, you get a thin doe foot applicator. I like the applicator on this concealer. All the details will be mentioned on the concealer, not some. So you can technically throw the cardboard box because you have your manufacturing expiry, everything down below, and the shade number, but still you can see the shade clearly. It is a see-through packaging and you would know your shade. Talking about the shade, 6 shades, it is a big disappointment because Swiss Beauty is an Indian brand and 6 shades. And I also cannot get my shade. So I am in the family of medium skin tone. So this whole concealer line is only made for fair to light skin tone people. For medium ke liye, this shade can work as a highlighting concealer, not as a concealer. So this shade, so I am definitely not happy, and I was expecting more shades here. Before getting into the application, how the product performs, now 6 shades they offer, and when you see the swatches on Nykaa, you feel that this shade can be a shade for medium to dark skin. But I must tell you, all the swatches when I see on Nykaa are wrong. This shade is exactly the shade which they have shown for warm sand, that is 01. So the swatches are definitely misleading. I really don't know about other shades, but at least when I see it for 06, it is the swatch which I see on Nykaa is equal to 01. So if you want to buy this shade, you have a swatch on Nykaa that is 01, that is the shade warm sand. So yes, the swatches are wrong. मैंने 06 इसलिए ले लिया था, मुझे लगा it will complement me. अगर एक shade dark भी होगा, it is still okay because I use concealers for correction, not highlighting. Now moving on to the application, how the product performs and what features this concealer has. Now this concealer, first up, blending. It is very quick. It blends seamlessly. बहुत ही अच्छी ब्लेंडिंग है इस कंसीलर की, बिकॉज ना ये प्रोडक्ट सुपर थिक है, ना ही ये प्रोडक्ट सुपर वाटरी है. तो अगर आप अपने ब्रश से भी ब्लेंड करेंगे तो भी ब्लेंड हो जाएगा, अपने ब्लेंडर से ब्लेंड करोगे तो भी ब्लेंड हो जाएगा. इसकी ब्लेंडिंग मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी लगी. बीइंग सच एन इनएक्सपेंसिव अफोर्डेबल कंसीलर, ब्लेंडिंग तो लाइक इट्स लाइक अ वाओ. इट इज अ अल्ट्रा लाइट वेट फॉर्मूला. यस, इट इज अ लाइट वेट फॉर्मूला. एज आई सेड, इट डज नॉट मेक यू फील दैट यू जस्ट पुट अ कंसीलर ऑन योर स्किन. Till the time you pick up a right shade for yourself, you will not feel. If you have gone wrong with the shade, you will definitely feel that you have put on a wrong concealer. You will feel that you're wearing a concealer. Semi-matte finish, yes, it is a semi-matte finish. It is not made for combination to oily skin. If you have under eye creasing, avoid putting this concealer in summers and humid or monsoon or rainy weather. Here I am with the concealer right here. So I've already been wearing the concealer. I've tried this concealer with many other foundations of mine, but today I'm going to be pairing up this concealer with one of my favorite foundation, the Too Faced Born This Way. So yes, मैंने priming कर रखी है. Let's get into the application, how the product blends, and you all want to see how it looks onto my skin. The shade I'm using is 06, one of the last shades and the deepest, which I don't consider to be deep. You need to get more shades. Swiss Beauty, if you're listening. So I'm not taking any extra product. जो इस bond पे है, I'm just spreading that product. Let the concealer sit for 30 seconds and then we'll start blending. To blend the concealer, I'm using my blender. So we'll start with the eye. there you saw the blending, how beautifully the concealer blended. It does not take much of a time to blend. The product looks thick, feel thick, but it blends very quickly. Like, it does not dry out instantly under the eyes or for that matter on your face. And summers में तो आपका ये वाला product काफ़ी अच्छे से जल्दी blend हो जाएगा. Even in winters, because this concealer I bought when there was a little bit of cold. So maybe I tried out this concealer. It blends very nicely, very quickly. Now let me quickly put on my foundation, set the under eye, and do my full face of makeup and be right back. This is why I'm not wearing this concealer today, because last time जब मैंने recording की and I recorded the application and then wore the concealer, my face was looking very off. And the camera was picking up all the unnecessary texture on my skin which generally नहीं दिखते. दूसरा, अंडर आई क्रीसिंग बहुत ज़्यादा होती है इस कंसीलर के साथ, बिकॉज आई डू सफर फ्रॉम अंडर आई क्रीसिंग इन समर्स एंड ह्यूमिड वेदर. आई हैव एन एक्सट्रीमली ऑयली स्किन, सो दिस कंसीलर कीप्स गेटिंग इनटू माय फाइन लाइंस. काफ़ी अच्छे से सेपरेटेड दिखता है. After 4 to 5 hours of application, you will see a lot of breaking here also if you're a combination to oily skin. This is not a very long lasting concealer for this weather, for my skin type. For winters, this can be a good concealer because winters में skin dry होती है. Now personally I feel this concealer is not made for all skin types. It is only made for dry or very dry skin. Being they just say semi matte finish, it is going to give you more of a hydrating appearance and it moves a lot. So after setting with a compact powder or a loose powder also, for me it budges a lot. And my other products sit vaguely onto this concealer, so I did not enjoy the after effect of this concealer. So it is a complete no for my skin type. It is waterproof. मैंने पानी तो डाला नहीं, but since it already moves so much, अगर waterproof है नहीं भी है, it really doesn't matter, because if your concealer or for that matter any liquid product of yours is not sitting well onto your skin and immediately after 5 minutes of application it starts moving, then the product is not going well with your skin type. So it does not go well with my skin type in this weather. It is a spotless look, long lasting. Spotless look के लिए I would say it is going to give you like a medium coverage, और I would say medium से थोड़ा ज़्यादा coverage मिल जाता है आपको. जब आप application करोगे आप काफ़ी covering देख लोगे. And it sits beautifully onto the skin initially when you apply the concealer. And long lasting, as I said, it does not stay long for me. It immediately starts creasing अगर मैंने setting नहीं किया. Even after setting up my under eye or other places onto my face, it starts enhancing the texture, starts settling into the lines, starts settling into wherever it can settle down, and it does not look pleasant. After an hour or so, it starts to appear a shade lighter onto my skin, as well as it adds a lot of ashiness and grayishness onto the skin, and which separates my foundation, my concealer from my blush and bronzer and highlight, which looks very off, and you look as if you have put your every step of makeup product separately onto the skin. Nothing comes together with this concealer onto my face. So I personally, for my skin type, did not like this concealer. I would never recommend this concealer to a person who is combination to oily and who wants to use this concealer in summers or hot or humid or monsoon weather. If you are someone dry to very dry person, then go ahead with this concealer. You may like it. Since it is an inexpensive concealer, you may not feel bad even if it doesn't go well with you, but if the shade is wrong, if the shade is off, you will still not like it even if you are a dry or a very dry skin person. So shade definitely plays a very important role if you have to like a concealer, like all in all 10 on 10. Formula तो बाद में आ जाता है. So for me, shade disappointment, it is one of the major flaws. Secondly, does not complement my skin type, and thirdly, it does enhances a lot of things onto my skin. All in all, I would not approve of this concealer. If you still want to go ahead and try it. But if you are someone who is medium to dark skin tone, you don't have a shade for yourself. Then you know all about this little product by Swiss Beauty. Not something worked out well for me, but you are still interested, I will be leaving the link in my description. Check out if you feel there is a shade for yourself. Why not try it and know it for yourself? If you are interested in any of the products which are all over the place and you want me to test it out, let me know through your comments. I will try to get the product and review it for you guys. I hope you loved watching this interesting video. Consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. Till then, you take care and I will see you in my next one.